In this video, are we currently seeing a lot of people selling their Bitcoin? And on top of that, we are also going to give you an update with this massive bearish divergence in the RSI. Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap. So yeah, for today guys, meron akong gustong tatlo pag-usapan. So number 1 is the sell volume. Number 2 is the RSI na you can see in the weekly time frame as well as the weekly stochastic RSI. But before we dive into those three analysis, let's dive in first muna dito sa latest Bitcoin movement na huling pinag-usapan natin. So previously, we were monitoring this symmetric triangle forming in the 4-hour time frame, which is a very good swing trade of opportunity. But and 'di ba sabi ko sa inyo, our next big trade dapat dito is once na magkaroon ng breakout dito, then we are going to open a short position up until the 110. But take a look at this guys, ang nangyari is we saw that breakout to the downside. We saw that sell volume na we were waiting for. Unfortunately, nagkaroon din somewhat ng mga significant buy volume which brought the Bitcoin price back. In that case, yung stop loss ko na hit around the 116,000.9k. Doon ako nag-set ng stop loss. So, yeah. Nag-open ako ng trade around 116.6. Bumaba siya, pero bumalik na siya dun sa stop loss area ko. So, anong nangyari? Yun, nabalik ko lang yung pera na in-enter ko. So, technically, wala akong, may minor losses ako. Siguro mga 1 or 2%, but that's not a big deal. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys na whenever you are going to open a trade, you have to make sure na you place your stop loss kasi if let's say bumaba si Bitcoin at nangyari short position, then of course advantage sa atin yun. Pero if let's say nagkaroon ng fake out such as what we saw recently, then ang mangyayari dyan is masasecure natin yung capital natin as long as we have a stop loss. So like what happened sa akin, na-secure ko na din naman yung capital ko, so wala din akong ganong kalaking loss. However, ito na yung gusto kong pag-usapan ngayon kasi 'di ba, we saw a Bitcoin price breaking to the downside pero nagkakaroon pa rin ng konting buyers. So nangyayari, every time na Bitcoin is trying to go down, there are people who are trying to buy Bitcoin at that level. And unfortunately, it seems like yung mga nagbabay niyan is not actually looking at the much bigger picture. If you're going to look at the past 2 months, which is from June to July, you would see na we are seeing significant sell volume dito sa crypto market, especially Bitcoin. And in that case, if we are seeing a lot of sell volumes coming in, that could be some dangerous signs na people are, or relatively, the sentiment ng buong crypto market could start breaking down kasi ang dami na nag-start mag-sell. And if you're going to zoom out dito kay Bitcoin, let's try to look at this in the weekly time frame. And if you're going to open the RSI, you can see now we are still forming that bigger divergence. Umakit na nga si Bitcoin, nag-reach tayo na all-time high, panibagong all-time high. But look at how consistent is that RSI na nag-form dito. It's consistently forming a bearish divergence. So, at some point, we will see a downtrend dito kay Bitcoin kasi this is like more likely now. Siguro ako, nasa 80% bearish na ako dito kay Bitcoin, honestly. And if let's say umakit pa, then okay, pwede sila umabol, pwede kayo umabol. Pero ako, I'm done with it na. Actually, nag-sell lang ako ng Bitcoin ko. Karamihan ng mga Bitcoin ko around this area dito. Nag-sell ako nung nag-all-time high siya around 106, 105k. Doon ako nag-start mag-sell, and then after nun, di na ako nagdagdag ng malaking Bitcoin sa wallet ko. I just waited out for this upcoming indicators to form. So, on top of that, we are seeing that. So, in this case, ang pwede kasi mangyari dyan is magkaroon na tayo ng rejection dito kay Bitcoin. It will not happen within the next few days, but kasi this is in the weekly time frame, so this is more likely going to happen in the upcoming weeks. And I've been saying this for the past 2 weeks na nga na itong major indicator na nakikita natin, I am very bearish in the bigger time frame. But I have to tell you guys that this is not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen in a matter of days. It's going to happen in a matter of weeks or months. So it will take a lot of time. And remember, karamihan ng mga winners sa crypto market are the ones who knows how to wait. So ito, as much as possible, may two opportunities kayo dyan. Number one is you can short Bitcoin dito once na magkaroon na ng confirmed breakdown. What we just need to see is a bearish indicators nga lang in the 4-hour time frame and in the daily time frame for us to open a short position na malakihan. And the other thing na you can actually do dito is you can do a DCA strategy, dollar cost average within the certain levels dito kay Bitcoin. But I'll talk about that in the upcoming videos na lang kasi I think it will be an interesting video kung saan tayo pwede mag-open ng panibagong stock position natin. So mag-add tayo ng spot wallet kay Bitcoin, mag-DCA tayo. At the same time, we're going to open some short positions within the upcoming weeks if mag-start na siya magkaroon ng confirmation. And on top of that, if you're going to also look in the weekly time frame kay Bitcoin in the stochastic RSI, you can see na we are still forming that bearish divergence dito in the stochastic RSI, and we have actually made that bearish cross na nga dito kay Bitcoin. So what I am now expecting is somewhat Bitcoin to decline within the next few weeks na dito. And ayun, kayo if you want to still push Bitcoin pa rin na umakyat, you can do so. Pero ako, analysis ko dito, what I am now checking now dito sa charts is we are seeing 1, 2, 3 bearish signs dito kay Bitcoin. So yeah, this is a massive warning na nga sa crypto market, and I don't think that this is going to hold up within the next 2 months kasi this is looking very dangerous na nga kay Bitcoin. The only good scenario lang na pwede mangyari dito, the only time na pwede lang siya maging bullish is if nagkaroon ng breakout dito sa RSI in the weekly time frame. If nangyari nagkaroon tayo ng candle close, no weekly candle close above this resistance sa RSI, then dun lang natin masasabi na bullish kasi of course that is going to go back to an unknown territory. And no, hanggat di nangyayari yun, I'm not going to say na we are bullish. Right now, I am very bearish dito kay Bitcoin. And I've been saying that for the past 2 weeks. And yun nga, sayang kasi 'di ba sa past video natin, may nakita sana tayong bullish opportunity dito kay Bitcoin, which is the symmetric triangle. It could have replicated yung previous movement dito ni Bitcoin, na previous symmetric triangle, umakyat siya. However, we didn't see that symmetric triangle breakout dito. We did not see any bullish breakout. So, rather we saw a bearish breakout na nagkaroon ng fake out and it just consolidated further. So, right now, I believe the crypto market is just waiting out for the panic traders to go out. Hayaan lang natin maubos yung mga panic traders. Basta tayo, for the long term, we are bearish, but for the short term, we are going to monitor kung ano ba yung pwede natin i-trade na long position or short position for the next few days. But yeah, for the long term, we are going to remain bearish. Take note guys, if you want to learn itong analysis na ginagawa natin, you can actually check out our Gabs Crypto 101 playlist na you can find in the description down below. And if wala pa kayo account with Bybit, make sure to use our sign up link na you can find in the description down below if you want to learn how to cash in kay Bybit at malaman yung mga iba't ibang pwede nyong gawin kay Bybit like copy trade, mga staking, as well as leverage trading. You can check out our Gabs Crypto 101 playlist. It's also available guys in the description down below. But anyway guys, yun lang muna natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.